Well, it's Rusty Glove Box, and today what we're going to do is going to repair something that we need here in the shop. Something that we got to have. Something to sit down in. Well, what we had right here was a little bar stool. It was a cheap bar stool, but nevertheless, I used it here in the shop. Used it quite a bit, even in my other shop. And it had this particle board bottom in it. Alright, we got all those staples out. There's the seat cover, there's the phone. And my old seat bottom is just about shot, I would say. Well, I got my phone back inside the seat cushion cover. Got my piece of wood cut. Fit it in there. It should fit because I used my old one as a template. I've got to cut a countersink in the middle. Because that pedestal pivots, the way it's made, it's got a little deal that sticks down. I'm just making pretty good progress. Putting the seat back on now. Just like new. So anyway, appreciate y'all watching. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.